Welcome to the International Talent Academy dance classes. Today we will be learning the very basics of dancing, including how to count and dance with the beat. So if this is your first time ever dancing or you've had little dance experience, then this class is just for you, because we will be learning the most simple and basic steps that will help you in dancing. Let's get started. So our first exercise we're going to do is marching. So although you don't march and dance all the time, it helps you keep your beat. So in dance, we count to 8 always. So let's do it together. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope that wasn't too hard. Pretty simple. So let's do it with moving our body. So we're going to start by marching. So you're going to bring your right foot up and your left arm. So it's opposite. So and then both of them are going up, and then you switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. So really remember that it's opposite arm, opposite leg. So your leg should go up almost to 90 degrees, or how much you feel comfortable, and your arms should be about either parallel to the floor or close. So let's do it together slowly. So we have here, and switch, and switch, and switch. Very nice. And now we're going to count. I want you to count with me. So we're going to go. Start with 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to march for 16 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So if you weren't able to get that, go back and try it again, because you need to know and be able to count and do it in counts of 8. So after marching, our next thing that we're going to do is very simple step touches. So first we're going to go to the right. So make sure your feet are together, and you're going to start by going out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. Very nice. And other way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Now I want you to do it with me. Put your hands on your hips, and I also want you to count with me. So we're going to count to 8 and then count to 8 again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. So I hope you were able to get that. Again, make sure to count with me and make sure you're doing all the right steps. Our next movement is going to be very simple once again. So we're going to go forward and backwards. So keep your hands on your hips, and we're going to take 3 steps forward and then bring it together. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, together, 1, 2, 3, together, and right foot, and together, and back, 2, 3, together. Let's count it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome job. And our next movement is going to be just going to the side like this. So let's do it very slowly. So what you're doing, you're bringing your foot all the way up to the side. Make sure your foot is pointed like this. And have just a little bit of your foot touching the floor, not all the way down, not like this, but just so it's pointed like this. And both sides. Very simple, and you can also do forward. So let's start. We're going to go 8 to the front and then 8 to the side. Ready? Count with me. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now that we've done all these movements, let's try it doing with music and counting. So pay attention to the rhythm. Let's just count first. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And step together, step together. And count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure that when you're going out, you're pointing your foot all the way, extending it, and to the side. Ready? Keep counting with me. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Try all of it with clapping now. Ready? We're going to do step and clap. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. I hope you had a great time learning and being able to count with the beat. If you're still not able to do it, you can go ahead and review certain parts and go ahead and listen to lots of different music and try finding the beat and counting to 8. I hope you had an awesome time and I'll see you next time. Bye!